Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious prawn noodle soup. We begin by creating the rich broth base, which is the heart of this dish. First, sauté prawn heads and shells in a tablespoon of oil until they turn bright orange and release their aroma. Then, add about 8 cups of water, a small piece of rock sugar, and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Let this simmer gently for at least 30 minutes to extract maximum flavor before straining. While your flavorful broth simmers, let's prepare the other essential components. Blanch your choice of fresh yellow noodles or thin vermicelli in boiling water for about 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring they are just cooked but still firm. Drain them thoroughly. Next, slice your cooked prawns, fish cakes, and lean pork into bite-sized pieces. Don't forget to prepare hard-boiled eggs, fresh bean sprouts, and crispy fried shallots for added texture and taste. Now comes the exciting part, assembling your prawn noodle soup. Start by arranging the perfectly blanched noodles neatly at the bottom of a deep-serving bowl. Next, artfully place your prepared toppings, the sliced prawns, fish cakes, and pork over the noodles. Finally, and most importantly, generously ladle the piping hot, aromatic prawn broth over all the ingredients. Ensure everything is submerged in that delicious, savory liquid. Your homemade prawn noodle soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately while it's piping hot to savor all the wonderful flavors. For an extra touch, garnish with freshly chopped spring onions, a dollop of spicy chili paste, or a refreshing squeeze of lime juice. Feel free to customize it to your liking. Congratulations on creating a truly authentic and delicious bowl of prawn noodle soup from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.